Hello friends, welcome back to our another Faction Learning series video. So today I am going to show you how to create a purchase order. Okay, so after sign in, you got this option from here in purchase menu. Okay, so simply click on it and then this page will be appear. So here you can see we have a option of create a new purchase order. So simply click on it and this page will be appear. Okay, so let me show you. Um, and here is another option of add prefix. Okay, so if you want to generate any prefix for this purchase order, simply you can add here. Okay, I will show you this how to set up any prefix in our next video. Okay, so let's move forward and let me add the due date, delivery date, and if you want to add any reference, then you can add here. Here you can add your payment term, and here is option of add items. Okay, if you want to add your items in manually, so simply add here, or otherwise you can choose your item in bulk amount from here also. Okay, and here you can increase the quantity and add product. So that's it. Okay, here all the detail will be by we are created before, so by default it will come here. You can modify it. Okay, if you want to add, just simply modify it. And if you want to add any discount, then simply add here. If you want to give any retention, then add here. And here is option of choose account detail, just add here. If you want to give any note for customer, so simply you can add here. Okay, and if you want to add any terms condition, so just add here. That's it. Now here is option of preview and save. Okay, if you want to save it, then simply click on it, and if you want to preview your database, so you can see this format. Okay, and now here again we have two options: download and save and send. Okay, so in download you can download your file in PDF format, or you can save and send your data. Let me show you. See, this message will be appear. Okay, and now you can see your new purchase order is added in your database. Okay, so here you can see we have another option of view, edit, convert to bill, mark as cancel, mark as close, and delete. So whatever action you want to take here, you can simply click on it. Okay, so if you have your data in bulk wise, or like large amount of data you have and you want to filter out your purchase order, simply you can choose via date, via organization, and then apply. Okay, and here is the option of export. You want to export your data, so simply you can click here and download your data. Okay, so that's it about purchase order. So I hope you like it. So thank you for watching. See you guys in our next video.